okay.
This is lazy. This is called lazy massaging.
Yes, this is laziness.
There's Swedish, there's Thai,
Laziness.
and there's lazy.
Ano?
There's Swedish massage, Thai massage, and lazy.
Lazy massage. Hoy, tandaan mo, tayo ang magkapares hanggang sa, Friday, wag kang
Yeah,
dyan.
if you put in more work tomorrow, I'm gonna massage you. But you really tired me over there.
Wow naman, ang swerte mong pagkabata ka. Talagang sasakal na talaga kita. Char. Oh my God. I can't believe I'm here.
Can you do this?
And